In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching text outline effect using Canva. Text outline effects can really make a difference in your design by making your text pop and drawing attention immediately. Whether you're designing a flyer, social media post, or any graphic involving text, this is a handy trick to have up your sleeve. So let's get into it. First, you'll want to start by opening Canva and selecting the text you want to enhance with this effect. Once you've got your design open, simply click on the text box. This step is crucial because without selecting the text, we won't be able to apply any effects to it. If you're starting from scratch, just add a text box, type your desired text, and then proceed. Now that your text is selected, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find a menu bar with various editing options. Click on Effects. Clicking this takes you to a range of ways you can stylize your text beyond the basic options like changing color or font size. It's where the magic happens, allowing you to explore multiple effects that can enhance your design in unique ways. Once the effects menu is open, you'll see different categories such as styles, shadows, and more. Here, you need to locate and click on Outline. The outline feature is what we need to create that distinct border around your text, making it stand out. Immediately upon clicking, you should notice a default outline appear around your selected text, likely in a standard color. Here's where you can start to personalize and make your design truly yours. You have the option to change the color of the outline to better suit your design needs. To do this, find the color icon usually located near the outline settings within the effects menu. With a single click, a palette will present you with various color options. Feel free to experiment here, as the right color can complement your background and make your text distinctly pop. After selecting a color, consider the thickness of your outline. Canva allows you to adjust this through a slider option. You'll see a slider bar next to your outline settings representing thickness. By dragging this slider left or right, you can adjust how thin or thick the outline appears. This feature is superb for subtly fine-tuning your design until it's just perfect. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to give your text a powerful outline effect in Canva, making it unmistakably engaging. This simple yet effective technique can elevate the appeal of your designs, helping them to capture attention effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for future projects. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and happy designing.